YouTube, your favorite DJ TV, we have an unboxing from ThreadBeast. ThreadBeast, a men's streetwear subscription service that delivers a package of the hottest, well they say hottest, streetwear and accessories to your doorstep. I just read that off of Google. We're gonna get some scissors, box cutter or something, and we're gonna get in this. Stay tuned. Alright, so what's in this thing? Off top's kind of impressive, I'm not gonna lie. Give you some stickers. Oh, get me ready for the winter time. This is a nice beanie. It's thick. Go ahead, feel this real quick. Go ahead. Thick, isn't it? This beanie? Woo. The hoodie. Yo, being from New York, son. Can I get a chopped cheese? And got some jeans. A big fit. A little long. That's cool. Got a 100 t-shirt. I don't know. Is this a hoodie? I love crew necks. This for sure. I'm definitely gonna probably wear this. I love crew neck sweaters. It's pretty classy. Another t-shirt. These t-shirts are nice. Be in the club like. This is huge though. Some sneakers. Some classics. Looks like some Stan, where those Adidas Stan, whatever those are. These things look small. Oh! You should take everything out of the shoe first. Yo, it's crazy they got the shoe size right there. That's crazy. Ugh. Y'all get it. For $100, not gonna lie. 1, 2, 3, get like 4 pieces of clothing, a hat, and shoes. Kind of set for like 3 days. Kind of like shopping on Karma Loop, but they just give you a mystery box of whatever they decide to give you. ThreadBeast, thank you. Make sure you guys go onto the website, subscribe. They have like a $50 one, a $100 one, which is this one, or is $95. I think it's like $150 for the top subscription. Yeah, that was pretty fun. Tell me which item was your favorite DJ TV. Oh shit. We'll see what next month's in. Go back to the malls or whatever.